In this video, I'm going to share the easiest way that I have found to buy and trade cryptocurrencies, which cryptocurrencies I have in my portfolio, how those are performing, if I have any big losses or gains. So stick around till the end. Hey friends, my name is Ahsan, and like most of you, I was pretty aware about cryptocurrencies and I was always following news about Bitcoin, Ethereum and other altcoins, but I actually never invested in any cryptocurrencies until almost 1 year ago when I made my video on how to buy Bitcoin in Germany, and that was my first crypto trade ever. I actually haven't shared my crypto portfolio with you, so in this video I'm going to share my eToro cryptocurrency portfolio. So eToro isn't actually your traditional cryptocurrency exchange. It's quite similar to Robinhood, where you can buy stocks, ETFs as well as cryptocurrencies. And unlike Robinhood, you can actually transfer your crypto from eToro into an external wallet under certain conditions. What I really like about eToro is the registration process. It's really easy to register and you can get started within a couple of minutes. In certain cases, you need to verify your identity, but even that doesn't take that much time. Another great thing about eToro is that you can deposit your funds using PayPal. So essentially, you can have instant funds in your account if you want to buy the dip. Alright, let me take you to my portfolio. But before I continue, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. It only takes a second and helps me out a lot. So this is my eToro crypto portfolio. At the moment, the portfolio value is 5,390 euros. Obviously, it being a crypto portfolio, the value is going to fluctuate within a few minutes. So as I mentioned, I started this portfolio almost a year ago, on the 27th of November 2020, where I added 200 euros, which corresponded to $235 at that time. I've had steady growth within this portfolio. As you can see that I've invested a total amount of $3,232 and I have an unrealized gain of $2,052, which is 63.48%. At the moment, the portfolio is not at its peak, because around September it was at $6,500. So I'm assuming it was probably more than 80% unrealized gains. But in September, as you know, the cryptocurrencies fell a lot, but now there's a positive trend, so the portfolio is growing again. Alright, like most people, I have Bitcoin in my crypto portfolio. And as you can see, my first trade was on the 26th of November, where I bought $25 worth of Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin has seen an unrealized gain of 250%. Another great thing about eToro is that you can see each trade individually, which can be great in terms of taxes. So you know when you bought a certain piece of cryptocurrency and when you sold it. So it's easier for you to declare in your tax return. In total, I have $495 invested in Bitcoin, and the total value at the moment is $1,018. Next, I have Cardano in my portfolio. Again, in Cardano, my biggest trade in terms of profit is my initial trade, which I did on the 26th of January this year, and that is at 503%. So essentially 5x the amount. The amount that I invested was $30. So at the moment it is at $151. Similarly, my trade on the 19th of May is at a profit of 17.5% and an unrealized gain of $35. Cryptocurrencies do tend to fluctuate, but with Cardano, I have a total invested amount of $1,377 and a profit of $1,120, and the total value of Cardano in my portfolio at the moment is $2,497. Next in my portfolio is Dogecoin. And unlike my other cryptocurrencies, this crypto is at a huge loss at the moment. In total, I have a loss of 56.16%. I did buy some prior to the bull run. I sold them and again bought in at an incorrect time, if you can call it like that. One of my trades is at 55.6% loss and the other trade is at 56% loss. So my invested amount of $620 is at a value of $271 at the moment. Another crypto that is in red for me is Stella. I bought this cryptocurrency in February this year and I invested $100. But at the moment, again, this crypto is at a loss of 14.57%. So the value of this crypto at the moment is $85.45. Next in my portfolio is IOTA. I only have two trades within this cryptocurrency. One of the trade is at 195% profit. The other is at 15.57% profit. In total, the $190 invested is at a value of $381 with a total unrealized profit of 100%. If you want to get started with eToro and want to support me, use the link in the description below. And finally comes Ethereum. So I have 4 trades with Ethereum that are running at the moment. Again, I did close some trades and I also transferred some Ethereum into an external wallet. So my first trade for Ethereum, which is actually the highest unrealized profit that I have in my portfolio, and that is 670% gain with an investment of $25. The current value is at $167.3. The other trades are at a profit of almost 400%, 218% and 217%. So overall at the moment I have $200 invested in Ethereum with a total profit of 315%, which is $630, and the value of Ethereum in my eToro portfolio is $830 at the moment. As I mentioned, there are certain conditions where you can transfer your crypto from eToro into an external wallet. I have dedicated videos on those topics, so please watch those before you start investing in cryptocurrencies on eToro. Click here if you want to know more about eToro, and here if you want to know the 5 bad money habits keeping you poor. So thanks for watching and bleib gesund.